Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. Pow! So have you ever wanted to know what you need to do to win dental office contracts? Dental offices can be very lucrative. That's something that is a need. So if you've ever wondered, how do I actually get a dental office contract now? So in this video, stay tuned. I'm going to give you the steps on what you need to do to actually win dental office contracts. Ready? Let's go. The very first thing you need to know about dental office contracts are there is definitely a need. The decision maker is normally inside of the facility. Now, there are quite a few large dental offices, which I'll talk about towards the middle or end of the video, specific names that you might want to check on that are definitely national. But for the first part, you want to look at having OSHA training. And in my previous video, I had a link to where you could go for free OSHA training. Number one, and you want to put that on your website and on your marketing material, especially if you're marketing to a dental office. Number two, you want to make sure that you have your PPE, your personal protection equipment, all of what that looks like specifically for a dental office. So make sure you check that out. Number three, you want to update your website. Make sure your website shows that you are marketable to a dental office. Make it specific. Have a page just for dental offices if you really want to scale in this area, which could be quite lucrative. So there are some things that have changed during the pandemic and some things haven't. One of the things with dental offices, they very seldom look to do it in-house, and they're always looking for a good outsource when it comes to cleaning, which is outsourcing it to your cleaning company. But they want to make sure you know how to clean and you know how to clean well. So update your website. And one of the things you can do that speaks volumes is having an actual video of you cleaning a dental office. See if you can volunteer somewhere where in exchange for allowing them or allowing you to go into their office and do a video showing that you're cleaning for free, it would be worth, I couldn't even begin to tell you, because if another dental office can see you actually doing the cleaning, they are really going to be impressed, because you're going to actually show areas that you're cleaning. They're going to know how well you clean, and they're going to know that you're an expert, you know what you're doing. So you want to make sure that you update your marketing information with videos, definitely your website. I would even have like a little PDF they can download that talks about the things that you do that you look out for step by step. So that's like step number 5 that you can add. And then number 6, one of the things I would definitely recommend is starting somewhere small. Don't try to get the largest one. I would look into yellowpages.com or on manta.com, list all the dental offices in my area, and I would make a list of which ones I'm going to target. I would go with the smaller ones, maybe some that have just opened. They may have a budget that's not that much, but you're going to get the experience. Very important. Then you can use them as a reference. Most accounts that are large want to see that you've gotten started in something smaller so they feel comfortable with you doing it. They can lose money. Always remember, when you are looking to clean where the actual company that you're cleaning for can lose money if you don't do a good job cleaning. That's different than when they're cleaning for employees. Yeah, they may have their employees complain a little bit, but it's totally different than when they have customers where they can lose money if their cleaning company is not good or slacks up. So you have a lot riding on the line, and so they do as well. So you want to make sure that they know you've got some skin in the game and you know what you're doing. So I've given you about 5 or 6 things you can do when it comes to making sure that they know you know what you're doing. Try your best to niche, however you want to say it, down into the dental offices by doing the things I mentioned: websites, marketing, definitely a video showing that you're actually cleaning a dental office. Now, the last thing is, what are some of the name brands like Aspen? Aspen is a very large dental office. I would check into some of the larger ones only after I've gotten the smaller ones, and I've done maybe 4 or 5 smaller dental offices. Now, what can you expect to clean? You're expecting to clean normal. Most of the time they're gonna have a receptionist area, a waiting room, which is really important, because if I go to a dental office and I'm looking around and I'm looking under the chairs, you know how you look under the chairs back there by the baseboard, tells me a lot. If I'm sitting and the sun's shining in and I'm looking underneath that chair and I see dust and the legs of the chairs look kind of nasty, I'm out of there. So really look at that. Go to a couple of dental offices and just observe, see what you see. Sit down there as if you're a patient or you've got a couple of questions. And that may be the one, a really, really perfect one to show the staff at the dental office how good you would be if you came in and you cleaned it. Inside the dental offices, one of the main areas is when you go in and they have the chairs, they have the chairs that you're sitting on. The base part of the chair is really important. The vents, very important. The door handles, the restrooms. So dental offices are going to take longer to clean. Expect that because they've got to be clean for health. Now, if you'd like to know more about how to attract certain type of specific customers, then make sure you reach out to us at 407-986-8228, 407-986-8228, or make sure you sign up for our free masterclass. I'd love to see you there, where we go into the 3 pillars, yes, 3, attraction, acquisition, and retention. I go into specific industries in each masterclass that really goes into what you need to do. So sometimes I'm talking about SCIFs, which are, clean rooms that you have to go into, or dental offices, or how to get large accounts with other types of companies that are major players, how to get property management accounts, how to get accounts in various industries, no matter where you are in the United States of America. So I'd love to see you there. Space is limited, so click the link to sign up. And until the next video, take care and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.